Hey guys, it's your girl Charlene, aka Apples, and I'm back with another video. And my sickness is like slowly going away, so yes. So, I'm starting. Oops, forgot to sign in. Really quick. And I already spun the wheel one time before I started recording. I was just like, oh shoot, I need to record. And I didn't record yesterday because I was actually at my sister's house watching my baby. Yup, sorry. I like my outfit. I like it a lot. And yeah, it's just so K-poppy to me. Yeah, so I have like 2 days left of this VIP. So sad, right? Yeah. There you go. We spent the wheel. Let's see how much is in our piggy. I'm saving these up, but I forgot I can't go on Fame Booster because I have no diamonds. So, yeah. So sad. But, oh well. Oh well. And I have like 3. Again, I always just collect these because it just gives you that good extra money. And it gives you extra fame, so yeah, it's always nice to have. So currently, it's like a good sale deal. Like, even though it gives you 20 star coins, that's a lot more than you're doing each day. So, you're getting 40 star coins in total when you open these presents. Again, hey. What are y'all doing? I wonder if she's... Oops, wrote that wrong. I wonder if she's online. Oh yeah, she's right here. Kitty Boss is on the computer, yay! Yeah, so... I've been getting... Oh yeah, like, I like spam myself with gifts that I didn't want XX Apples to have anymore. But this whole outfit I bought with my own money. I love this outfit. This outfit is just so cute. Like, I like it more than white Apples. And we need to find Apples a new outfit just because, you know, as you guys know me, like, I just can't stay in one outfit for so long. And, like, my freaking account on MSP, my Apples account, is, like, stupid. Like, yeah, let's see. I'm like, look at, like, it's just, the lag is so freaking real, but then, like, this one just wants to work. No, why would I say my nose is not plugged? It's getting plugged again. Holy crap. So late. Okay, we'll just go back into Apples. Okay, so, you guys know what, oh, my nose. By the way, I got a new table, so, yeah, I'm currently on it. Now we have 2 tables in my room. Oh, also, what K-drama are you guys currently watching right now? I'm currently watching I'm Not a Robot. It's a really good one, so y'all should definitely go watch it. Is water wet? I don't know. Is water wet? Who knows? So, yeah, this is my outfit. I think it's cute. I like it. And then this is like the oopsies. This is like another outfit that I don't know. Damn it. I don't know. I just kind of came up with it. Like, this was, like, you know, and like the socks. I don't know what to wear. But this is a cute outfit. Another cute outfit in mine, I guess. Dang it, my nose just got plugged again. Ugh. By the way, that's me just clapping. You guys, oh my god, somebody unfriended me. I wonder who. I swear I had like 959 friends. Only 3? Oh my. I have 78 VIP friends, you guys. I need to make more. Okay, today in this video, we're gonna... You want famous? I'm recording. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, watch. Okay, hold on, let me give the autograph and then watch. Like, I don't know if it will work or not. Hopefully it does work, but I doubt it will. It's like whenever see? I'm a freaking VIP member, and it says I can't give an autograph every 2 motherfucking minutes. You are 62 minutes until... Okay, look, MSP, fix this right now, because I'm gonna go ranting. I did this so that I can freaking give freaking autos like every 2 minutes. See, I'm telling you guys. Did you buy another? Yeah, so let's just wait after 2 minutes and we'll see. So annoying, like, it's just like, what? Ooh, what's here? 18 autographs. Let's see. Ooh, 16. Not bad. I don't know. I really want to buy a new outfit. So bad. So okay, I'm gonna buy a new outfit. Let's buy a new outfit. Just kidding. I already had an outfit in mind. On vacation. Oh. I'm probably gonna buy another silver pack soon. So yeah, because I only have $10 left. So yeah. So I bought this shirt for no reason because I think it's cute, but I bought it for no reason. Because I'm not gonna end up wearing it again. So yeah. This outfit I'm probably gonna wear next. You see, like, these rares are just like, they're so useless. I don't even want them. Hit me up if you want a rare. Just kidding. And like, let's just go look at my stars. I want to see how much stuff I have. Let's calculate how much stuff I have. Let's see how many times have I spent. I spent almost 4,000 diamonds, you guys. I have no life. $58,000 only? No, wait, that's wrong. I read it wrong. 500. Oh, I want to get to 600,000. They have spent a lot of stuff with you guys. Let's see how much clothes I should have in total. I have 331 tops. Does animations count? Nah, we won't count that. I have 200 and... Oh, shit. Damn it. Plus 240 plus 182 pants plus 179. Okay. Oh, wait. Plus 179. Hold on. I did it wrong. Oh, shit. Okay. 331 plus 240 plus 182 plus 179 plus 198. I have 1,130 pieces of clothing. plus my animations. You guys, I have no life. Somebody come get me in chat. How do I have 200? Almost. I'm only 2 away. Let's make it to 200 hairs right now. Let's go buy some hairs, you guys. Just to have. Just cuz. We are just so random. This is so fucking ugly. The hair is just no bueno. Whoa, I look like cotton candy. Let's see. This is a cheap ass hair, dude. I need to buy this on Harperell. Let's buy this because me like it. And then let's make this white because we're basic, so. This is cheap. How come I didn't see this? I didn't see this. I'll buy this hair on Harperell because it's cheap. Neither did I see these. Like, what? Oh, this hair's cute. This hair's cute. Oh, yes. You know, I haven't been getting blonde hair. I remember I used to be such a blondie, but now I'm just like more of a brownie blonde. What color should we make the hairs? Why not this color? We can leave that green. What's this? Oh, no, wait, it's a highlight? Okay, we'll have that blonde. This is cute. This is cute. Just kidding. I don't want the flowers. I just want it to please. And if it looks weird, hell no. Okay, we're gonna have flowers because we look like we have some lice. So. Okay, we officially have 200 pieces of hair. And I just went down to 17,000. 117,000 star coins. Darn. This hair's cute. I really like this black hair. Oh my god, I look so freaking ugly. Ew. This hair, okay, so this hair reminds me of like that one, yeah, that helps. That one girl, her name's like, what is it? Her name's like, I don't know her name, but she's on Wreck-It Ralph. If y'all know what I mean. If y'all know what I mean. This is cute. Anyway, we have 200 pieces of hair now. Yeah, I mean, 200 pieces of hair. So happy. Oh yeah, we were supposed to go make some VIP friends, but it's okay. I don't know how to make her level. She only needs 36,000. God damn. I don't want to do this. Okay, 2 minutes have passed. Okay. Oh shit. Holy crap. That was scary. I don't know what that was, but apparently they like. I don't know what it was. Watch this. It's not gonna work. See? I have, oh my god, so annoying. Dude, I'm about to freaking rant to MSP about this. Like, stupid. Like, I'm a VIP. Should I have autos like every 2 minutes? Sorry, I don't do 4 of these anymore. As you guys do know, I make looks of all my outfits because that's just how I do and that's how I work. That's how I work. Work. You guys, this doesn't have any likes, so please go like it. Like, it's just so sad. Okay, we need to end this because it's about to go down. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.